5 minutes. That's the cash out speed some survey apps now offer, and that changes everything, because waiting 3 to 7 days for a payout is usually where people quit. By the end of this, you'll know which 7 survey apps pay the fastest, which ones are actually worth your time, and how to avoid wasting hours on low-paying surveys. First, the main thing. Fast-paying doesn't always mean high-paying. Usually, the fastest apps trade speed for smaller rewards. So the goal is stacking the right ones. Number 1. Swagbucks. Winin. This is still one of the biggest. You earn through surveys, cashback, and small tasks. The useful part is the low cash-out options through PayPal and gift cards. If you're doing short surveys daily, this is usually one of the easiest places to start, because there's always something available. Survey Junkie. And this one is cleaner and simpler. It's almost entirely survey-based. The approval process is usually quick, and once your balance clears, payouts are straightforward. Better for people who don't want to mess with games or shopping offers. Third, Prime Opinion. This app got popular fast because of how aggressive it is with instant reward options. A lot of users like it because the dashboard tells you estimated survey times before you start, which cuts down wasted clicks. Here's where it matters. Qualification rate. A survey paying well means nothing if you get screened out after 3 minutes. That's why the next ones matter. Fourth, Atapol. Win. Wow. Probably the fastest setup. Download it, answer profile questions, and you start getting matched almost immediately. It's built for mobile, so doing surveys in spare time actually feels practical. Fifth, Kiiway. Win. Big advantage here. No minimum cash out in many regions. That means even small balances can be withdrawn, which is rare. If speed is your priority, this is hard to beat. Pay. 1. Good for quick, lower effort surveys. Not always the highest paying, but simple. That matters if you're trying to stack multiple apps. Inbox dollars. Azin. Suction. Similar to Swagbucks, but with extra earning options like reading emails and offers. More variety, less survey dependence. Quick summary. If you want the fastest cash outs, Kami, Atapol, and Prime Opinion. If you want more survey volume, use Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Best move. Install 2 fast payout apps and 1 high volume app. Test them for 7 days, and track which gives you the best return for your time. If this saved you some trial and error, hit like and subscribe. It helps.